What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY oil change in your 2015 plus Subaru WRX. Today I'm using the 5W30 full synthetic motor oil along with the genuine Wix filter. Now, as most of you may know, the Subaru, it's 5.4 quarts of oil, so you're going to want to get 6 of these, assuming they're 1 quart. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's do this.
Alright, you want to start by jacking up your car, heading under your car to find your oil drain bolt. It's located right behind your headers and it's normally marked. Grab a 14mm socket. I also recommend a breaker bar. Loosen all the way, make sure you have an oil drain pan ready, and also remove the cap. While your oil is draining, you're going to want to remove your oil filter. And grab a paper towel and clean off all the excess oil. Before you install your new oil filter, you're going to want to oil up your O-ring as well as the top of the oil filter to create a nice tight seal and prevent oil leaks. When screwing on your new oil filter, you're going to want to make sure you screw it completely straight and not at an angle, that way you don't damage the threads. Since your oil should be done draining by now, you're going to want to install your oil drain plug, hand tighten it, grab your 14mm socket, and tighten it, but don't over tighten it, else you could break it. We are now ready to add our new oil. You're going to want to grab a funnel, and then since I said earlier it was 5.4 quarts to completely fill it, you're going to want to use 5 bottles and then half of the 6 bottle, so just keep an eye on that. Once you have finished putting the oil in your car, you're going to want to lower your car. That way you can get an accurate reading of how much oil you have. Put your dipstick in, take it out, and then put it back in for an accurate reading. Make sure it is past the second dot, and that means you are filled and ready to go. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. Real quick, I have 2 things to say. One, I made a new Instagram for my car. I will link it down below in the description. You should go check it out and follow it. 2, my upload schedule is every Tuesday and Friday, just so you guys are aware. I try to upload around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, just so everybody knows, so stay tuned. As always, please remember you like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.